that wrote WAEC exam, of course, you should be expecting your result very soon. You already know this is WAEC. We have A1, B2, B3, C4, C5, C6, D7, E8, and God forbid F9. What I will do in this video is to show you how WAEC arrives at these grades. This is how your WAEC result will be once you check it, depending on the subjects you have and what you get in them. So I'm going to walk you through how WAEC arrives at, okay, giving somebody. You can see this person in further maths, person got A1, chemistry A1, data processing B2, economics B3, civic education B3, English B3, mathematics B2, biology B3, and physics. So how did WAEC arrive at these grades to give? Now, first thing you should know is that A1 means excellent, B2 means very good, B3 means good, C4 means C4, C5, C6 are all credits, D7 pass, E8 pass, and F9 is fair. Now, as I'm watching this video, if you want us to help you in checking your WAEC result, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, our online study group, if you want me to help you in your JAMB, WAEC, and NECO, just do two things. Like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, come under this video and tell me, I have subscribed. Then we will start guiding you. Okay. Every subject is over 100. If you get between 80 to 100, you will be given A1. There is the total, both practical, objective, and theory. If you get between 70 to 79, you will get B2. If you get between 65 to 69, you will get B3. If you get between 60 to 64, you will get a C4. That's credit. If you get from 55 to 59 over 100, you will get C5. If you get 50 to 54, you will get C6. Then D7 is 54, 45 to 49. E8 is 40 to 44. And F9 is 0 to 39. God forbid. You know, if you get D7 or E8 or F9, it means you did not pass the subject. So what you have to do now is go to our YouTube channel and watch this video to learn how you can check your WAEC result. If you also want us to check it for you, let me know. Remember, like I said, just simply like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come under the comment and tell me I have subscribed. Then anywhere you need us to help, if you want us to send you past question, if you want us to add you to our online study group, if you want us to send you a timetable, if you want us to help you in any way, let me know immediately. I wish you all the best, all the success in your examination.